just very different. So we're very lucky here at the Talcott Collective to have such a diverse, just a diverse group of people that come in here and play different kinds of music. And we're gonna have some like, I don't want to categorize it, but almost bluegrassy, folk, just all that good stuff and that vibe coming up to close us out tonight. So, and we've also got a theme of like couples tonight playing music together, so that's cool.
Michael, I always turn your lights out because you're saying bad.
If you want to turn them off, yeah, you can move that thing away. There you go. Yeah, get it up.
I like seeing that man a battery a minute. Man, so I'm gonna need that light one day. So, happy Tuesday. It's a glorious one. Tonight is the first time I sang here where I couldn't see the tower at all. It's that rainy, misty, and dark. It's like the fog of fogs. It's into the misty. It's a little Van Morrison. But in that smoke outside, not seeing the tower, I got to remember a line I wrote long ago. I'm going to incorporate in a song that I'm singing these days. Because that's what open mics are about. They're pretty open. Oh God, the mystified only one, the Almighty, oh God, it's me. Oh God, am I surrounded by all you need? Oh God, any words of wisdom before you let me now free? I thought 1,500 miles would maybe help me forget you. But the distance and the price just make the price harder to get you. Just left the Boca Chica, sitting in the sand. Imagination running, envisioning number That's it, my dear. You said it all. Looks like I have dropped the ball. On my way down from grace, seems I found oh just lovely. But what you were was all you ever needed to be. I grabbed hold, you know I walked, I talked, I danced, I loved, I laughed in the land of free. But no man no company's ever gonna get you there. Only I desire now to breathe the air, breathe the air, breathe the air, breathe the air, breathe the air. Oh, and without and by, and without and by, and without, 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 it, my dear. You said it all. No sense of duty, just to help a friend, when you will do it, to hear their song begin. When we hear it, which we will, it'll lapse all the time, all the time, all the time, it'll lapse all the time, and there's no sitting, resting, smoking, chilling, living by the river tastes of wine. The river tastes of wine. That's it, my dear. You said it all. Looks like I dropped the ball. Thanks. I know, it's one of those ones where you can just sit there for 10 minutes and then think of another one. I know. Actually, that was really, really beautiful for me, so it's happening. When you're on this note, you draw a song with a light on, you know the soul it never runs. So walk with the boots now barefooting and free. If the woods find you, that just be. But it's a start to blaze. God in a set of grace. Touch it now, taste it now, kiss it now, make it all true. Touch it now, taste it now, baby, now, what can you do? So how does that song sound? Where is that song found? For the boss is where the sky lives. We are on this ground, this Yeah, the song all the tone from the center of stone, and the famous, it's on back to say. Somebody's to say, where was that song sound? Where is that song found? For the bubbles is where the sky lives, and we are on this ground. Yeah, you're right. Thanks. I wrote that song in Arizona in 2004 a little bit. I was on the airfield. Saw a little baby scorpion. It was a tiny, little golden-looking scorpion. Looked like I would use it as a fishing bait. So little. I figured the sky in Arizona that day looked a lot bigger. pigtails. Sand on her feet. Oh, pigtails. And ice cream on her cheek. She was a summer child. She was a beauty. Stop a man dead in his tracks. She was a dreamer. Oh, no looking back, 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 back. She carried much love for the time, the day, the man. She carried much love she could not understand. She was a dreamer. No looking back. Her dream was living, 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 and God, no, God, no, God, won't let that fall. Now in the winter, she played out in the snow. The wound inside her, she never got to go. For it's a rebirth, changing all the time, where all the new life of spring is waiting on life's line to bring you sunny days and pigtails. Sand upon your feet, sunny days and pigtails. Moonbeams on your screen. We've reached a new shore. I'll take her by the hand, put in a new door. I'll open as I am. If she's to see me, world forever changed if she believes me. To the mystic and the strange, for love has no anchors, no ties to the shore. It's only to be honored and never ask for more. And I'll bring you, and I'll give you sunny days, pigtails, and sand upon your feet. Sunny days and pigtails, and ice cream on her cheek. That's pigtails. I got one more, Michael, huh?
Yeah, do it. Do it.
See them by the horizon, when the storm clouds they drive in. Oh, see down by the horizon, It'll roll you at its will. This is the meadow song we take. For today we are real. This is the awakening. This is the form of the bell. Well, I will. We'll find a better way. I'll mail. Loving what comes with it, and yeah, with it, and that's way, When they just speak, it is only us for the sun, bring a shine through your dreams, bright as if it glistens, 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 glistens. Well, I'm hell. We've turned the tides of change. I'm hell. Bring answer to the strange, 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 strange. Born to us strange, who cannot hear the call, to pant on our place, to look out for us all. Connecting the dots, opening the lines, this is a beautiful home, home, home. One weekend, one weekend, one weekend around. And I'm blessed to feel this way. I'm well. Ain't no shame in love I'm sending. I'm sending away. Yes, I'm blessed to feel this way.
Thank you very much, y'all. Beautiful night. Happy Tuesday. Happy Talking Out.
Good enough one. I thought you were hanging up that.
All right. Jimmy Mancini, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, Jimmy. What a great performance. Those are all original songs, straight from the heart. Jimmy's here every week, so come back and see him. Next we have, and I kind of picked that order. I don't know if it matters to you guys. You good with that? You're going up?